Chatbots are changing how businesses work. They help customers 24/7 and make everything faster. With Flowise, you can build a chatbot without knowing how to code. Chatbots save time and make people happier. With Flowise, anyone can make one, even if you're not a tech expert. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build and use your own chatbot with Flowise. Here's what we'll do. Learn what Flowise is and why it's awesome. Follow each step to make a chatbot, and then look at real examples and tips, and see a live demo of a simple joke chatbot in action. Let's start with Flowise. It's a tool that helps you make chatbots by dragging and dropping things into place. No coding needed. Why is Flowise so cool? Well, it's super easy to use. You can make it fit any kind of business. And it works great with tools like CRMs and knowledge bases. For example, a law firm can use Flowise to sync client inquiries directly with their CRM, ensuring no lead is ever missed. An accounting firm might integrate Flowise to automatically update payment records in their database after client interactions. Imagine having a helper that's always awake, answering questions, helping clients, and saving your team time. That's what Flowise does. Now, let's make your chatbot. Just follow these steps. Step 1, we're going to set up your Flowise account. So to do this, go to the Flowise website and sign up. Once you're in, open the dashboard to start your project. Step 2, you want to define the chatbot's purpose. Think about what you want the chatbot to do. A law firm might use it to answer common legal questions, and an accounting firm might use it to have tax reminders. And then step 3, you create the chatbot's flow. So you use Flowise drag and drop tools to build your bot. Start with a friendly welcome message, add steps to answer common questions, and make sure it can send harder questions to a human. Step 4, train your chatbot. Here's where you add your FAQs, guides, or other helpful info. You can train the bot to give clear and accurate answers. And then finally, step 5, test and refine. Try out your chatbot by asking it questions. Tweak the flow and to make the answers better. Chatbots aren't just trendy. They solve real problems for businesses every day. Let's see how chatbots can help in real life. For law firms, use a chatbot to ask new clients about their cases before they need a lawyer. And you can answer common questions like, what papers do I need for court? Accounting firms, you can help your clients with questions about taxes or deadlines. And you can send updates about invoices or payments. And for e-commerce, you can suggest products to shoppers or help them track their orders, or offer 24/7 support to solve problems fast. Here are some tips to make your chatbot great. One common mistake is overloading your chatbot with too many tasks at once. This can confuse users and make the chatbot less effective, focusing only on a clear purpose to start. So start simple, focus on just one task at first. Use friendly language, make sure your chatbot talks like a real person, and check its performance. So test how well it works and fix any problems. Keep data safe. Protect client information at all times. So let's see Flowise in action. We'll show a simple joke chatbot that can make anyone smile. Here you see a simple joke chatbot. All chatbots start on on the right hand side, you'll see LLM chain. This is where all chatbots start. You have to have an LLM chain. And you see it requires two inputs, a language model and a prompt. So in the second node, we have the actual language model, which is the OpenAI. And this requires your credentials for the OpenAI. You need to identify a potential model, you know, which model you want to use. We're using 3.5 here, but you can see there's other types of models you can use. And then the temperature. Now the temperature, if you're not familiar, is a range from 0 to 1, with 1 being the most creative and 0 being not creative at all. We usually leave it just at the default at 0.7. And then finally, the prompt itself. So that's over here, this first node. So it's a chat prompt template. And here we have, just tell me a joke about the subject. Subject is whatever the user types in. Okay, so let's go look at an example. So here you click on the chat box to operate with it. So we're going to type in, let's say, dogs. And it's going to come back with a joke about dog. So why did the dog go to the vet? To get a new leash on life. Let's try this again. Let's try birds. Why did the bird go to the doctor? System, because it was feeling a little tweet. So maybe they're not the best jokes, but at least it shows you a simple chat flow. So you can see how easy it is to create a chat flow without any code. So this fun example shows how easy it is to create an interactive and engaging chatbot with Flowise. You can apply the same principles to build more complex bots for your business. That's how easy it is to build a chatbot with Flowise. It's a fantastic tool for saving time and helping your customers. If you want help setting up your chatbot, email me at steve@precisionaisystems.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell to learn more about cool AI tips. And share this video with anyone who might benefit from learning about chatbots and automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.